In today's video, we're going to tackle a common yet distressing issue: diarrhea. Whether you're dealing with it yourself or caring for someone who is, we're here to provide you with practical, step-by-step advice on how to combat diarrhea effectively. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to combat diarrhea. Get rid of it! Stay hydrated. The first and most crucial step in combating diarrhea is to stay hydrated. Diarrhea can lead to severe dehydration, so drinking plenty of fluids is essential. Water. Sip small amounts of water frequently. Avoid gulping large quantities at once, as this might worsen your condition. Oral rehydration solution, ORS. ORS is a lifesaver in managing dehydration. It's a balanced mix of salts and sugars. You can buy ORS packets from a pharmacy and mix them with clean water. The World Health Organization has recommended ORS since the 1970s as it significantly reduces the risk of dehydration. Follow the BRAT diet. The BRAT diet, bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, is often recommended to help firm up stools and provide gentle nutrition. Bananas, they are easy to digest and rich in potassium, which helps replace lost electrolytes. Rice. White rice is binding and can help reduce the frequency of diarrhea. Applesauce. Applesauce provides pectin, which can help bulk up stools. Toast. Plain toast is easy on the stomach and helps provide necessary carbohydrates. Use probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of your gut flora. According to a study by the Harvard Medical School in 2017, probiotics can shorten the duration of diarrhea, especially when caused by infections. Yogurt. Look for yogurt that contains live active cultures. Probiotic supplements. These are available over the counter and can be very effective. Maintain good hygiene. Good hygiene practices are vital to prevent the spread of infection and to protect yourself. Hand washing. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after using the restroom and before eating. Sanitizer. Use hand sanitizer if soap and water are not available. Clean water. Ensure that the water you drink is clean and safe. Boil water if you are unsure of its quality. Use electrolyte drinks. Electrolyte drinks can help replenish lost minerals. Look for drinks that contain sodium, potassium, and other essential electrolytes. Sports drinks. These can be beneficial, but choose those with low sugar content. Homemade electrolyte solution. Mix water, a pinch of salt, and a bit of sugar. You can add a splash of orange juice for flavor. Consider over-the-counter medications. Over-the-counter medications can be used but should be approached with caution. Loperamide, Imodium. This can help reduce the frequency of diarrhea but should only be used if recommended by a healthcare professional. It's important not to use it if the diarrhea is caused by a bacterial infection, as it may worsen the condition. Bismuth subsalicylate, Pepto-Bismol. This can help with both diarrhea and the associated stomach upset. When to seek medical help. While most cases of diarrhea are self-limiting and can be managed at home, certain symptoms require prompt medical attention. High fever, blood and stools, severe abdominal pain, or signs of dehydration, e.g., dizziness, dry mouth, decreased urination. If any of these symptoms occur, contact a healthcare provider immediately. Dealing with diarrhea can be uncomfortable, but with the right steps, you can manage it effectively. Stay hydrated, follow the BRAT diet, consider probiotics, maintain good hygiene, and use electrolyte drinks. If needed, over-the-counter medications can provide relief, but always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Stay healthy and take care.